Okay, this is my first video. I've never made one before, so please bear with me. I'm gonna try to repair a Snap-on 14.4 volt lithium ion battery that does not want to charge anymore. Okay, I'll put this one in there, and you can see that that's a good battery and it charges just fine. Okay, I'll remove that one and put a battery that does not want to charge. So through a little bit of experimenting, I figured out a way to fix that. Let's see if this works. What I made here is 4 separate wires, and we'll connect negative to negative, positive to positive, and so forth. There's 4 connections. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll try to do this with one hand. It's kind of hard. Okay, that's a round negative to the round negative. Oh, by the way, this is the good battery. This is the bad battery. And go square positive to square positive. If it'll stay. Whoa, gotta be careful not to let them touch. Okay, that's round negative to round negative. And on the opposite side, there's a square negative to square negative. And I suppose I should be using different color wires, but this is all I have for now. And then round positive to round positive. And just leave it for a couple seconds and it should work. Just feeling if it's getting hot. And I feel a little heat there. So I'm going to take it apart and see if it worked. I feel heat in these wires, so something's happening. Okay, this is the bad one. Now let's see what happens here. And what do you know? It's now charging. I hope this helps somebody and hope this saves somebody a little bit of money, because these batteries cost about $100 a piece. Thanks for watching.